Hello guys and gals, typically outdoors here. On today's episode of the boat restoration, we're changing out the trim of the motor. It won't go up and down, so we have to change that out. When we bought this boat, it came with a spare motor. I don't know if you guys see it right over there. And the trim on that motor actually works, so we're just swapping them out. We had to unmount it from the hull, use a crane. We had this tarp because it is 95 degrees out here right now. We do live in Florida, so it's always hot. But that's what today's episode will consist of. I hope you guys enjoy and tune in. All right, now that we got the trim out, we're gonna put the new one in. This here was the old one, no good. We got the one that's going in here, so it's actually quite easier than we thought. Once we got the motor off the boat, I mean, it was a piece of cake, super easy. So keep you guys posted. So we got the trim in, working just how it should. Easy. It's quite easy to do. All right guys, so we got the trim in. It's working awesome. Motor goes up and down just how it should. So another step closer to getting on the water. Really looking forward. Basically we have like 2 or 3 little small things to do on the boat itself, the hull, and then we have to fix the trailer, and after that we'll be definitely fishing. So looking forward to that.